What it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian. I'm your host P5, aka Prophet P. And this is another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about. I do these on the fly. So today I think I just want to talk about, I guess, not letting other people's behaviors affect you. Now this is kind of like the weirdest thing to say. It's like, oh, if someone's being a dick, you shouldn't react to it. Easier said than done. But what I think I mean is that you're your own person. You kind of have your own way of dealing with things. You have your own goals. And if you're like me, trying to improve every year and every day, trying to get better, so you're learning from your mistakes, you're actually listening to feedback that people give you, whether it's your partners, whether it's your friends, whether it's at work. It could be the person on the street, who just happens to, give you some much needed, or sometimes, not necessarily warranted, but needed feedback. So I think this is really about just understanding that if you're on that path, that people and things will come into your atmosphere and they will cause an imbalance, and that imbalance can project itself in many ways. It may be that you lose your temper. It may be that you get really sad. It may be that you even get really happy on the opposite end of the scale. But what I'm trying to say is that you should really just sort of try to ignore outside influences. Stay true to your course. So if you're a person who's on this mission of peace and not sort of exploding and seeing the red mist, don't let someone from outside, or even inside your family or inside your close circle, don't let them be the one that sort of makes you deviate from that course. Learn your coping mechanisms, learn how to deal with certain situations, and use your little tricks, whether it's a breathing, whether it's a walking away, whatever it is. Just remember that you're a work in progress, and people and things will always try and throw you off course. And I'm speaking from experience. There's a few things going on at the moment in life that it's just the demons are being thrown in my path, but I'm on a specific path, so I'm not going to deviate. I might have little wobbles, but what I'm not doing is reverting back to the old me and sort of behaving the way that I used to behave. Again, we're all a work in progress. I never sit here and preach to you guys and say, oh my God, you guys have to be better. And well, you do have to be better. That's the point. But what I'm not saying is I'm there, I'm better, be like me. No, I'm a work in progress. I still have all my foibles, and I also have my traits that that need to be readdressed and things like that. I'm also an amazing person, so everything is to do with balance, but it's also about understanding who you are and understanding the learning. So really, this is just a quick video to say, guys, please stay on course. Remember who you are, remember who you're trying to be, and as always, you should be trying to be better every day. And that way, it doesn't matter what obstacles come in our way, what things happen to us in life, we'll be able to deal with them. It may not always be easy, but at least we'll have a concrete foundation to move forward and to prosper. So guys, I hope you've taken what I said on board, and as always, I wish you guys nothing but love, nothing but blessings, nothing but light, and stay dope, man. Stay fly. Keep doing what you're doing to improve every day. If you're not on that path yet, the time will come where you'll find that it's very beneficial to just keep working on you, and what working on you helps all those around you. So guys, this has been another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about. I've been your host P5, aka P is for prophesize, and this has been Once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian. Guys, stay dope, stay fly, and as always, please continue to work on yourselves and continue to be a better person every day. Alright gang, I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace.